Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 4, number 17, which reads, the complete graph of the function f is shown in the xy plane above. For what value of x is the value of f of x at its minimum? Notice it's asking for f of x. You might know from math class that f of x is another way to say y. So where y is at its minimum. Where is y at its minimum? Up, down, left, or right? Y is at its minimum as low as possible. What's the lowest point on the graph? It's right here. And the question is, for what value of x is the value of y at its minimum? What's the value of x here? -1, -2, -3. -3 is your answer. Quick solve. Now, one thing is you want to make sure you understand how to read a graph like this as far as functions goes. So let's say it was asking you for the value of f of -5. You'd go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'd find the y value. F of -5 is 2. Doing the same thing, f of -4 is 0. F of -3 is -2. F of -1, it looks like it's -0.5. That's -2 is -0.5. F of -1 is +1. F of 0 is 2.5. F of 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. F of 2 is 4.5. F of 3 is 5. F of 4 is 3, and F of 5 is 1. Hopefully you followed that. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with function questions. If there's any question you'd like to see posted from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, you can leave that in the comments as well. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.